This is just a real easy recipe for kielbasa. All you need is 2 links of kielbasa, skinless, and a can of manwich. You just turn your heat on and fry it up. Now that the pan's gotten hot, you can hear it sizzling. You want it to be nice and brown. Like you'd have it if you had it out on the grill. Nice and fried before we put our sauce on it. Doesn't take very long. 5 or 10 minutes. You don't want it on real high heat because you don't want to burn them before they get soft. You don't want them charred on the outside and chewy in the middle. You want them soft and done all the way through. So we just stir them so they're nice and fried up. Our kielbasa is starting to get that nice grilled look to it. See? That's what you want. Nice and grilled. Fried up before we put our sauce on. And all the pieces to have be nice and grilled. If you think it's getting kind of burnt or done too soon, just turn your heat down a little. What I have, the sauce I'm going to put on it is a can of manwich sauce that you make sloppy joes out of. It's just sloppy joe sauce. That's why we call it sloppy kielbasa. So once they're nice and fried, then you add your sauce to it, mix it up, turn your burner down a little bit because you don't want it boiling. You just want to get it nice and warm, the sauce nice and warm on the kielbasa. Then you just put it on a hot dog bun or a hamburger bun, and you got yourself a sloppy kielbasa. You can even add cheese to it once you put it on a sandwich. That's just a quick and easy sandwich snack. I hope you like my recipe for sloppy kielbasa. Please like and subscribe to my channel and enjoy.